So what we've done here, we've done a hole here to demonstrate how we dig, and the soil, show them the soils, Mr. Zimba.
This is the soil here that's come
Yeah.
out.
Yes.
And you've put water in there, Mr. Zimba?
Yes.
There's water in there. Yeah.
I've got the two types of topsoil. This is a bad topsoil, and this one is a good topsoil.
And
This is come off the top, and then
Yes.
so this is this your mixed soils?
Yeah, this is not mixed soil.
Where's
This
your
is
mixed
just the
soil? Do you want to
topsoil?
use, this is the mixed one?
Yes.
So this is the topsoil,
Yeah,
that's the
yeah.
subsoil. Well done, Mr. Zimba. And here is our mixed soils.
and then this is your mix with compost
With
and
yeah, there it is. It's from there, all ready to go. And here
I was
we've got also mixed soil. Yeah,
nice smell to it.
yeah, nice smell to it. Yeah, we're ready to go. So, do you want to show how we plant? Come, guys. Who's going to plant? Vincent. Okay, Vincent, come. This is our tallest guy.
Yes, he's rivaling my
And our
height as
most
well. Huh?
And our most handsome. Okay. Just show them, Vincent, yeah? Can you have the wheelbarrow ready with it? Bring the bag there close by. Yeah, you got it ready. Where's your shovels and the water? Yeah. Just be careful of the other plants. Be careful. Be careful. Yeah, well done. Okay. So he's tearing the bag. Mr. Zimba, explain what they're doing. Benson. Mr. Zimba, you're going to talk. Come.
Yeah, let me go.
Okay.
For now, we open the bag.
Loosen the...
From there now, we put it in the hole.
Vincent, loosen a little bit the...
I'll lose it.
Okay, you lose it in there. Okay, that's fine. Check the level. Where's the stick to check the level? Where's the stick to check the level? Loosen the roots a little bit at the bottom. Okay, just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Then after we put it, we measure.
With a stick to see that the level is okay.
Level the ground.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you don't want to bury it too deep or too high.
No.
At the same level.
Yes.
We wanted the deck to be high up, so it's like a viewing deck. And I didn't realize that my staff had covered the trunk of the tree, and the tree was so beautiful. It came right over here in October. It gave us the most beautiful shade. And one day I came here and I just saw leaves on the deck, and I thought, oh my goodness, what's wrong with the tree? And I looked, we started digging with the guys, and then I realized that
It had been suffocated.
been suffocated, and we lost a beautiful big tree. So people should be very careful that they need to plant trees in the level of the trunk, not to go too high or too low. If they go too low in the rainy season, it becomes a reservoir, and then a lot of water. So you got to make sure that the levels of your trees are always planted properly. This was a bitter lesson. I cried for a whole month for this tree, and so now we've put a red mahogany up. Yeah,
It's grown very well.
it's growing very well.
Then
Where's the
it is
water?
level. Then we start now putting compost.
Okay, and the mixed
Yes.
soils, the planting soils.
Yeah.
Okay.
The one
There's
that you
another
prepared
sheet of
specially for the plants.
Yeah.
Huh?
Take out the leaf from there. That leaf there. Yeah. Okay. Where's the water? Where's the
Compost.
Yes.
mixed soil? The
And
mixed.
that's also compost that you've already
Yeah.
mixed into the base of the soil, isn't it? With
So
river sands.
this is a hibiscus that we're planting. It's called hibiscus corner.
So this is giving you the hibiscus the best start in life now.
Yeah, 100% level. Look, press the plant down. Put water first. Bring the water. Water first. We compact. Wait. Going to compact a bit. They forgot the compacting sticks. We've just got broom handles.
Yeah.
You get broom handles and you use those. They've left them in the storeroom. Then you compact a bit because they don't do damage. They're round, and they're great for compacting. You know?
I usually use a broken stick at my place.
Yeah. So you can buy them. You can get them at all the markets. Yeah. So best to get those. They're, you know, they forgot them, but it's fine. And just, you know. And I find those compact nicely because they're round and they don't damage the root.
Yeah.
This is quite wide and it could damage your roots, you know. So, you know, you just carry on compacting and leveling and adding water, compacting. And then we're going to fill up the basin with water now. George, let's put water. You got to do it slowly. You got a lot of pressure there. Just go slowly. Yeah. Yeah, just slow it down a bit. Thank you. Okay. And you flood it. And this is the best time to plant. Late evening, late afternoon, sorry, or early morning. Okay.
Yeah, when then the roots have the greatest access to that water initially and can recover.
And it's not hot. And that side as well. Well done. So this is in a bed just to show you, to demonstrate to you how we planted. So this is what the trees are normally 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter for all trees and all palm trees. So you measure the depth, you measure there and see, just measure.
This hole is 1 meter down and 1 meter here.
So we.
But you've already mixed in the soil mix.
To measure the
And watered it.
measure this
Yeah.
to see the level. Go to it. He's not listening.
This is-
You need to do this. You need to measure to see there. So this is there, Mr. Zimba. Okay, just see how big your hole is. Yeah, no, I measured there. Okay, so you measure there. So you measure. We normally So and bring it here, and you measure your pot. What's the height there? So you can add or remove. No, the other way. Okay, so it's here. So I think it should be okay. Yeah? You've already measured. Yeah. Okay, put it in. So ideally you should have a tape measure, so you measure the top to see whether you need to add more.
Yeah.
So that you're not planting too deep or too low. Just go, Vinny, help him there. Go help him, Vincent. Yeah.
Are you going to save the plastic?
Yeah, be careful. Be careful, slowly, slowly. Okay. Now, Mr. Zimba, loosen a little bit the roots from underneath. Yeah, loosen a little bit there. All of them all round. Not too much, just a little bit. Go, Vincent, help. Where's the shovel? Okay, you can start putting Benson there.
And there you're just loosening the roots so that they'll
Just
be
a
able
little
to
bit
start
at
to
the
grow
bottom,
out,
not
isn't
too
it?
much.
Yeah.
We're trying not to disturb the plant as much as possible. Okay, we put in. Do you want to come closer, Jonathan? Okay. Benson, just tip the bag. Mr. Zimba, just tip the bag. Take out the shovel. Yeah, it's
Be
quicker.
A little on the faster side.
Yeah. Side to side. Vincent sprayed it. Thank you. Well done, guys. Be careful of the roots. You try not to disturb the roots and damage the roots. Well done, guys.
Yeah, this gives it a very good start to life.
Where's the compactor? Hambal is a compactor. Move in quickly, quickly. So then you compact gently, not on the plant, Hambali, on the side, yeah? Vincent just sprayed it.
Could you allow the water to compact it, or you'd always suggest in
No,
terms
we do
of
it
using-
dry. We do it dry, and then tomorrow we'll come and see how much it's gone. You know, we filled up the holes 2 days ago, and it's settled.
Yeah.
You need to settle the soil. That's a sure way of getting your levels right. It's all in that planting leaflet.
Yes.
How to plant a tree.
And as you said, the land prep is worth.
It's what's worth everything.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to remove this tree. It's a, what is it? What is it?
Albizia.
Ibesia. It's dropping its branches. The branches just fall off, and they're not very strong. So we decided to plant this tree here, and then we're going to gently remove that one.
Okay.
Water, guys.
You're not worried about this becoming too shady for these things around?
Well, these we just put these here. They're here temporarily. They're all going. They're not going to be here for long.
Long term.
No.
Okay.
You have seen how we have saved the
Yeah, no, definitely. And then you'll wash this, is it?
Yeah, we wash them
we use that.
and we reuse them.
I like the fact that this one has nice big holes in it as well.
Yeah. Where are these from?
That's polythene.
Polythene plastics.
That's 18, eh?
But we made the holes, or they came with holes.
No, it's to us who made them.
We make
Yeah,
the
okay, I
holes.
was going to say.
We make the holes. Put Vincent a little bit more there in the middle. Yeah, not too much. Gently. Don't. Okay. We can put water now. We're done. Well done, guys.
And then once this is settled, you'll put mulch on it to then help
No, we won't need to do it here because there's a lot of
the shade from the
shade
surrounding
in
shrubs.
around. But
and
if it
stuff.
was exposed, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So these are some stock plants that we did it to attract bird life, and butterflies.
Yeah, I
So
see.
we're going to be growing them around the perimeter of the palm park.
Oh, okay.
So we can have pollinators. But for now, we put them here temporarily so we can propagate from them, and then we'll just take everything out and we'll just have the tree.